What's up, YouTube? Been a while. So, I'm gonna make a quick video of what's been going on out here and what we've been into. We got a fish tank here. This is Wally, and a 75-gallon freshwater tank. The tank is getting to the point where he needs, I mean, he's got plenty of room for himself, but we have a pleco down in this this little cave here, a little snowball that's in there, and then there's actually a leopard pleco as well. Is usually tucked in way back over there. But anyways, the tank at this point is starting to get small. This is another one of our little runts around here. But this is our brand new 150-gallon tank. Was just built. It's a 6-foot, 150-gallon tank. This is the stand.
Let's do this one right here, actually. Right next to
We're gonna get this all downstairs. It's not there yet, but it's coming. So, I've been watching a lot of fish videos online, and there's a lot of good stuff to learn out there. So anyways, there's the 75. That's a 4-foot tank. There's Wally. And he's going to be going in here along with some other friends. And of course, when you have kids, as you can tell, you know, you got to keep things covered so we don't throw toys in them and cats. But anyways, you know, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.